Get something good. Come on. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 4.
Sounds like a good one. We should probably put that up. Hold on.
All right.
Change this to. Put the cards up.
Careful.
Them up there.
40 cents.
40.
Yeah.
This is
what we're
the
recommending so far is this Goatee Synchro. All right, Lila's turn.
$5.87.
Hi, I'm going to be opening now 7 packs. So we got the tournament pack, the Darkening Blast, and 1 Tactical Masters. I'm going to start with the Tactical Masters first. See what I get. Play my rares right there. That one isn't worth anything. I want it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it.
Oh, now it's at 95 cents.
This one's $5.
That's one of my expensive.
No, you pulled a $300 card.
Yeah, I pulled a $300 one before.
That's serious. I'm not joking. She pulled a $300 card. I want that one.
Tell the difference. I think the rest.
There's so many girls in this one. My first one. I don't see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it was my first. We're doing on a Darkening Blast.
Uh-oh.
What?
Hold on.
What? Why did you say hold on? Is it expensive?
I don't know how to tell if this is a
me
collector's
see.
or not. No, you're not going to be able to know, Lyle. And this one, you got to be careful because this one could be $5 or it could be $75. I don't know how to tell the difference between these and the collector rares.
I'll show you all the rare cards in a minute. We're just looking them up. The first one I pulled, it could be $5 or $75. So it could be either one. That one's one of the D/D/D ones I just got.
Swallow, founder of the Drudge Dragons, is almost 50 cents.
Not that much. I think one day in toss the shadow thing.
And this catch here reverse only $1. I don't know how to tell the difference for this.
So it could be either. We'll just say it'll be either one.
Labyrinth.
There's another one. I just pulled doubles in a row.
Need help?
No. Oh my gosh. There.
You saw me.
I won. This is my last one. Red reboot. Paint painter. Dang it.
I think this is the $75 one, Milo.
Let me see.
When I'm looking online, it says it has the reflective colored pattern of a parallel rare attribute, double shush rank. And this is,
Oh,
see, this has the, did you pause it?
No.
Oh, no, okay. It's like rainbow holographic, right? The rainbow hollow?
Yeah, it's a rainbow hollow.
Is that all the cards that you, is that all your pulls?
These are all the commons.
Okay, let me look through your commons. I'm looking for,
They're mostly just like girls and boys.
these two.
Painter. This is a paint painter. Where did you get these from?
Okay, I'm looking for the color.
Why do you have so much? I don't want those.
alright, I'm gonna do mine. Alright, watch out, Milo. Alright, so yeah, I'm not 100% sure. Let me know what you guys think. This has the, it says it's rainbow. Not really. I mean, it looks pretty
Yeah.
rainbow to me.
I can do this to one guy at the tournament that has the labyrinth
Yeah.
deck.
We're gonna start. We're gonna start with these. What the hell just happened?
Labyrinth.
Well, that's weird. Okay, we're gonna start with these OTS packs and then work our way up to the bigger packs. I never have good luck, so I don't expect anything crazy. Yep. That's why I let my kids open, because I have horrible, horrible luck. We did the Darkwing Blast sneak peek today. Yeah, another slime. We're gonna do Tactical Masters next. We did the Darkwing Blast, or I did the Darkwing Blast sneak peek today, and didn't do very well. Valance, Buster, Baron, probably not worth very much. And then see if we get any of the bestial cards that I've been looking for, because I got the bestial Lubellion. I traded for that, so now I just need to build all of the lower expense stuff. Ogre, Showdown, Scissors, Augusta. Yep, Rex, Fright, Fur Hire, which is a dinosaur.
Yay! That one was
Huh. Interesting. Yeah, you can have those. Pretty much the only one that you can't have is, I'm gonna say, this one and this one.
the $1 one I just put.
This one and this one. I don't know. That's kind of weird. It might be more. I don't know for certain. But this is just kind of cool because this is a dinosaur, so I could potentially, I don't know, go into the Fright Fur combo. I didn't realize that was a thing. They're all less than $1, dude.
How much you made? There's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right.
We each get 8 left.
And here's the rest of the commons. You guys can separate too. All right, yeah. So let me know what you guys think about this. I'm not gonna put it. I'm gonna put it up here. See if I can get. It's because it's so bright. Is this? What do you guys think? Is this the collector? I mean, that is pretty rainbow. Now this is why I let her open them, because she always opens the good stuff. I never open any of the good stuff.
Yeah, I opened a $300 one at the real tournament.
Yeah. For some reason, the audio keeps like lagging out. But yeah, I don't know. This looks like rainbow. I mean, you got blue on one side, red. It's pretty rainbow to me. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's really a 15 time difference. This is $5 or 70 something. So, but yeah, I was hoping to get some of the bestial stuff. Like I said, I traded for the bestial Albion. So hopefully looking to put that together with the Dragon Link core that I have as well. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for checking out the stream or the opening. I'm gonna try and save up packs again and eventually do another one. So check out the next one. Catch you next time.